Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use Claude AI within VS Code. In 2026, you don't actually install a Claude app for your desktop. Instead, you use specialized extensions that plug Anthropic's models directly into your coding environment. So let's get right into the 3 best setups. First, you should use Klein, formerly known as Claude Dev, if you want the most autonomous coding experience. To get started, go to your extensions view, Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Klein and hit install. You will need an Anthropic API key from anthropic.com to power it. In 2026, Klein is the gold standard for developers because it doesn't just suggest code, it can actually read your files, create new ones, and run terminal commands to fix bugs using Claude 3.5 or 4 Opus. Next, you can try Code by SourceGraph if you want a more user-friendly chat and autocomplete feel. Just search for Claude AI in the VS Code marketplace and sign in with your GitHub or Google account. The best part about Claude is the model selector in the chat sidebar. You can easily switch between Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Claude 3 Opus depending on the complexity of your task. It also has a very generous free tier that doesn't require you to buy your own API keys, making it perfect for students and hobbyists. Then, you should check your settings if you are already a GitHub Copilot subscriber. In 2026, you are no longer locked into GPT-4. You can open your Copilot chat panel, click the model drop-down menu at the bottom, and select Claude 3.5 Sonnet as your primary engine. This is a massive win because it gives you Claude's superior coding logic at no extra cost if you are already paying for the Copilot subscription. Finally, you might want to consider the Cursor alternative, which is becoming the top choice for pro developers in 2026. Cursor is a fork of VS Code, meaning it looks and feels exactly like the editor you're used to, but it has Claude natively integrated into its core.